Okay, here's a parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, unknown field unfortunately. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and the white that you're seeing in some cases is the light reflecting. Okay, I've just zoomed in so you can have a better look. As I said, materials wetted, the white that you're seeing is the light reflecting. Some are better than others. Most have some opal on them. From a quick cursory look that I've had just tipping them out, these are probably the worst bits that are in there. Some of the better bits. Some of this material may clean off if you go a little bit deeper, but you need to be able to read the stone as you go. There's a lot of material here. So cut down to that line. That's not magnificent material. It's a bit better. Picture stone. Someone's marked that out to cut it out, perhaps. Something like that's just a line of colour. Just randomly picking these up. Some of them are upside down like that piece. Nice little bit of colour over on the corner there. I'm just picking up the bigger bits. Quite often with this, the smaller pieces are the better. Has to be ground down to that level to see what's there. I think you'll find a lot of these can be improved if you take the brown out, a little bit of Dremel work perhaps. Matrix type material. And there's a lot more there to look at. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.